I would highly recommend Appy Pie no-code app builder. It's a great solution for somebody who wants to be up and running quickly with a web app. Their customer support is great. You can create Android and iOS apps in a few steps without any coding. Once you are ready, publish your app to Google Play and App Store. Appy Pie is a popular app development platform that allows users to create mobile apps without any coding knowledge. Here are some key details about Appy Pie. Drag-and-drop interface. Appy Pie offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, making it easy for anyone to design and customize their app without writing a single line of code. Cross-platform support. You can create apps for multiple platforms including Android, iOS, and even progressive web apps, allowing you to reach a wide audience. Wide range of app categories. Appy Pie supports the development of apps across various categories such as business, education, entertainment, health, and more. Whether you're building an app for your business or a personal project, there's likely a template that fits your needs. Customization options. While using templates can expedite the app development process, Appy Pie also provides ample customization options. Users can tweak colors, fonts, layouts, and add features to tailor the app to their preferences. Integration with third-party services. Appy Pie allows integration with popular third-party services such as social media platforms, payment gateways, analytics tools, and more, enabling you to enhance the functionality of your app. App publishing. Once you've created your app, Appy Pie provides tools to help you publish it to app stores like Google Play Store and Apple App Store. They guide you through the process of setting up developer accounts and submitting your app for review. Pricing plans. Appy Pie offers a free plan with basic features, allowing you to build and test your app at no cost. However, they also have paid plans with additional features and support, catering to users with more advanced needs. Overall, Appy Pie is a convenient option for individuals and businesses looking to create mobile apps quickly and affordably, especially if they don't have coding expertise.